Tree pose. Stand tall and bring one foot to the inside of your opposite thigh or calf. Keep your hands at your heart or extend them above. Focus on a point in front of you to maintain balance. Hold the position while breathing deeply. Triangle pose. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn one foot out and reach your arms to the sides, lowering your body toward the foot that's turned. Reach your bottom hand toward the floor and extend the top arm toward the ceiling, holding the pose. Cat-cow pose. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale as you drop your belly toward the floor and lift your chest cow. Exhale as you round your spine upward cat. Repeat the movement, flowing between the two positions with each breath. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders and elbows close to your body. Press into your hands, lift your chest and head off the floor, arching your back, and look forward. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, arms at your sides, and palms facing forward. Take a deep breath and lift your chest. Ground your feet into the floor, engage your legs, and stretch your arms overhead, reaching toward the sky. Wheel pose. Lie on your back and place your hands by your ears, with fingers pointing toward your shoulders. Press into your hands and feet, lifting your body into an arched position. Plank pose. Start on your hands and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold the position, keeping your wrists under your shoulders and legs straight. Butterfly pose. Sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall outward. Hold your feet with your hands and gently press your knees toward the ground, stretching the inner thighs. Locust pose. Lie on your stomach with arms extended in front of you and palms facing down. Lift your legs, chest, and arms off the floor, keeping your gaze forward and chest open. Hero pose. Kneel on the floor with your knees together and feet apart, sitting back onto your heels. Keep your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed, focusing on deep breaths while grounding your hips. Table pose. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Keep your back flat and core engaged. Hold the position with a straight spine and strong arms. Head to knee pose. Sit with your legs extended in front of you. Bend one knee and bring your foot toward the inner thigh of the extended leg. Reach forward toward your extended leg, folding your torso over your leg and keeping your spine long. Eagle pose. Stand tall and bend your knees. Cross one leg over the other and wrap your arms, elbows, and wrists together. Sink deeper into the pose while balancing on one leg and stretching your arms in front of you. Boat pose. Sit on the floor with your knees bent. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and lift your feet off the floor. Straighten your legs so your body forms a V shape, balancing on your sit bones. Happy baby pose. Lie on your back and bring your knees toward your chest. Grab the outer edges of your feet with your hands. Pull your knees gently toward the ground, keeping your feet flexed and your back flat on the floor.